welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, I highly welcome you. My name is Seddiesnowz. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber from Benue State, and you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you all for stopping by, for coming back. Today is Wednesday. I usually upload content today. I'm actually editing one video now, and it will be going live in a few minutes. So make sure you watch it. I have my smoothie here.
Just like a thumb, you only dare spend $2,000 at a time.
My challenge is still on. No solids for the week, just smoothies.
Then comes the card table. He's addicted.
In here is banana, pineapple, watermelon, orange, and beet. So I'm just trying to edit a video now. I've actually uploaded a video already. The only thing remaining is just the description, tags, end screen, and cards. So that's what I'm trying to do now, and then to be live in a few minutes. So how have you guys been? Guys, if you remember, I told you guys I want to cut down on my food intake, so I'll be doing more of smoothies this week. So my challenge is on. This tastes so good. It's really good. So guys, if you've been taking smoothies a lot, tell me, what combinations do you like? What combinations do you like the most? What do you want me to try next? Just leave me a comment in the comment section, and I would definitely do that. Just give me your suggestions on what next, or what fruits to make next. The thing is, I actually just blend whatever fruits I have at home. I have a couple of fruits, but then I just pick whichever I want to blend. But like I said, I always make sure banana and orange is my base. So whatever it is, banana and orange is always included. I actually made a mistake with the text on my thumbnail, so I think I'll have to re-upload another one before I post the video. So guys, what's been happening? How are you guys doing? Hello guys, good morning. Today is Thursday. Today is another day, and I'm off to a driving school. As you guys know, I want to get a driver's license, so there are some formalities I need to put in place. So I'm headed out there this morning. I'll be going there with my mom. She's accompanying me. So we spoke with someone, and he already told us what we need to do. So we are just going there to go get more enquiries, and I don't know what will happen after there, because from what he said, it's going to take a long period before I get it, something about a month, and that is too long for me. But I don't know what to do, but I'll still go there to see what will happen. Then probably we'll find a way out. So for now, that is it. So I'll be going there with my mom. Then I'll see you guys when I get there, if I am allowed to vlog there, but I'll see you guys later. Go and take ice cream. and take ice cream with Wait, calm down first. It's just, let me say, like experiment I made, but I wanted you to taste it, so it's in the fridge, in the freezer. Go and bring it out. It's inside those small ice cream containers.
It's just what's wrong with one paper route today.
What's the object?
These days are all like that.
What?
Government. All my friends tell me to be realistic. I'm only here
sometimes we used to write
be more realistic.
one paper, right? 3
Then you got yourself the wrong guy.
different.
Definitely not the kind of guy you're looking
Practicals.
How do you know what type I'm looking
It's
for?
The government doesn't have anything
I
like.
don't know what my type is.
Everything
Just
is on one sheet
essay
now.
and
Being
object.
here
Objective
seems
and
so
essay.
real. But I did call you first and ask you out.
So you're saying
Hello,
you
guys.
are serious about this. You regret not thinking it through now.
Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm back home now. Jenny, have you seen it? Eh?
Is it
Yes, freezer. Eh?
Is it freezer?
Yes, the deep freezer.
Free now. This conversation is annoying.
Okay, yes, I've seen it.
Okay. Take it and tell me what you think.
Okay.
Sorry guys, that was my younger sister. You know, I made a sort of experiment. I made ice cream and I didn't even tell anyone. I was just trying it out. I saw the recipe and decided to try it out. So I just did a very little quantity to see how it turns out, and my oh my, it turned out really great. So I gave all of them to, you know, just have a taste of it, and I left a little for her to, so she would also get to test it. She is writing her senior certificate examination, so she just got back, so I was asking her to go take it and she really loved it. Guys, I'll be sharing the recipe with you guys. Now that I've seen that it's good and my family loves it, I'll make a bigger batch and I'll share the recipe with you guys, how to make ice cream on a budget at home. So guys, that's it. So welcome back guys. Yeah, I told you guys earlier that I was going out with my mom, so we actually did go there and we made enquiries like I said.
It's fine.
It's fine, Abby. So I'll make a bigger batch next time.
That is very sweet.
So it's only daddy that I have not tasted it, but I'm sure that one will not be enough for you. If not, I wanted him to taste small, but anyway, I'll still make another one, then he'll eat. So like I was saying, we made enquiries, and of course it's going to take over a month to get the license. So for that reason, we would keep that on hold as well, and I would rather go for a passport, and that one should not take over a week. So but I can't do it today. I would go for that on Monday. We already spoke with someone there and she said I should come on Monday. So as of Monday, I would start the process of making the passport, which will be better. And even though it's expensive, there's nothing I can do. It's something very valuable, so I would have to go for that. And then hopefully they accept that and I'm able to complete my identity verification. I still have my smoothie. Cheers, come join me guys. So in here I have banana, orange, pineapple and beets. My challenge is still on, so if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming. I'm doing a smoothie challenge for this week and hopefully I extend it to 2 weeks. So this week I've decided to take more of smoothies. Take just smoothies for this week. This will be my major food intake. And here I'm just on my YouTube studio checking some analytics. Guys, if you haven't watched my latest video, I uploaded a video yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday. I usually upload Wednesdays and Saturdays. So every Wednesday and Saturday, run to my channel to check my new content. This should go live on Saturday. Today is what? Thursday, yes. So expect this video that I'm making now to be live on Saturday. So guys, always check out my channel for new content every Wednesday and Saturday. So guys, that is it for now. As I progress with the documents I need for my identity verification, I'll let you guys know. I'll just let you in on everything that's happening, and hopefully by God's grace I get to complete my verification, because it's long overdue. But I've decided not to worry anymore. God is in control. He'll take charge of everything. For them to have given me 4 chances already, and I still have another chance, it means that God is really on my side. Because my sister Lily Ogini, she's also a content creator, she said they gave her just 3 chances for identity verification. So I'm really surprised how I've used 4 chances and I still have another chance. So you see, God is really on my side. So that's all for today, guys. Cheers. So thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. When you do, turn on the post notification so you get notified when next I upload a new video. And if you're watching me and you've not subscribed, I don't know why you've not subscribed though. Please join the family. We all are very loving people on my channel. There's nothing to lose. Just click that subscribe button. Just click it, bam, and that's all. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Mwah.